Where do charging cables always fail first? Not the middle, not the plug, this exact spot. Almost everyone has experienced this. Your phone still charges, but only if you bend the cable just right. We blame cheap cables, bad quality, bad luck, but the failure location isn't random. Charging cables don't fail because of electricity, they fail because of movement. Every time you pick up your phone while it's charging, this section bends, thousands of tiny bends, every day, and flexible materials have limits. Each bend strains the metal, and strain adds up. Fatigue, failure, looks slow. Until suddenly, it isn't. Inside a charging cable are thin copper wires. Copper conducts electricity well, but it doesn't like being bent in the same place repeatedly, so engineers reinforce the cable. But here's the trade-off. If this section were completely rigid, the stress would move somewhere else, usually into the phone's charging port. And damaged ports are far worse than damaged cables. One design decision, one failure point. That flexible collar is a controlled failure zone. It spreads the bend over a larger radius, delaying damage and localizing it. Different brands, different looks, same physics. That's not decoration, it's a decision. Imagine a cable that never bends here. The stress wouldn't disappear, it would transfer to the solder joints, to the connector pins, to the phone itself. The cable would survive, but the phone wouldn't. Stress has to go somewhere. Good design chooses where. Here's the counterintuitive part. That weak point near the head is acting like a fuse. It's designed to fail first, so something more expensive doesn't. Failure is not always a flaw, it can be a feature. Damage chosen, not chanced. Manufacturers benefit, yes, but users do too. Replacing a cable is cheap, replacing a charging port isn't. The frustration comes from expectation. We expect durability, but the design prioritizes protection. Once you notice this, you'll see the same idea everywhere, in electrical systems, in machines, even in buildings, because good design doesn't prevent failure, it decides where failure is allowed. Enjoyed this? Please hit subscribe to get notified about more short, smart design stories.